Hi, welcome back to the channel. I've been a big fan of mindless for the last 20 years, so I know a thing or two about budgeting. So I want to talk to you today about budget-friendly gardening tips. Let's go. Tip number one, look or ask for free stuff. When we were doing the garden makeover, I had vastly underestimated how much soil we would need, and then I was pretty stressed because I didn't want to spend hundreds of pounds on it. So I asked on a Facebook group how I could get my hands on loads of compost without it costing a fortune, and somebody said check Facebook Marketplace, so I did. Straight away I found a local farmer that was giving away loads of free compost. We could have filled the garden like 5 times over. It was amazing. And then another thing is to check apps like Trash Nothing, Free Cycle. I got all these pots for free on Trash Nothing. I literally just posted asking, does anybody have any outdoor gardening pots? I've got a million indoor ones, but I don't really have a lot of outdoor ones. And then this very kind man gifted me all these pots. If you can't immediately find free stuff or nobody's offering pots, don't give up. Just keep looking and keep asking, and hopefully you'll get lucky like I did. And that leads me on to my next tip. Tip number 2 is swapping seeds or baby plants with friends, family, neighbours, and even people online. I'm in the process of growing cherry tomatoes, and I will link down to that video if you want to watch. I'm hoping that because I've sown like 19, so I'm hoping that I will have quite a few viable plants, and then my plan is to gift quite a few of them because I'm only going to keep 2 or 3. I don't really have space for any more. So instead of wasting seeds, swap them with your friends. Great way to get free seeds and free baby plants. Hi, Hayley here. If you're enjoying this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Tip number 3, reuse old pots. Now this may seem very obvious, but I had so many pots. I've now gathered them all up and I can't believe how many I've got. Now, some have come from plants that I bought and probably killed, but some are just nice ones that I bought. So yes, so now I have them all in one place. I'm going to wash all the dirty ones and keep them all together, and then I'll never ever need to buy another pot. Tip number 4 is growing food from leftovers. So you can do this with all kinds of fruit and veg, including spring onions, strawberries, peppers, tomatoes, garlic and lettuce. Peppers, tomatoes and strawberries, you use the seeds, dry them out, plant them as you would any other seeds. Spring onions, you cut about 2 inches off the bottom, soak that in water and then plant that up. I've got a video on that as well. Whatever garlic you've got left over and you don't think you're going to eat, just put it in a bowl of water, let it root from the bottom, and again separate the bulbs, plant it up. Free garlic can take a while to grow, so you have to be patient. And lettuce, use a variety like a little gem, cut the base off, soak it in water. See a theme here with the soaking in water. Soak in water, or when it's got roots, pot it up. Free lettuce. And this is just some of the fruit and veg you can grow from leftovers. There are obviously lots more than this. And my last tip is use what you've already got, like toilet roll holders, egg boxes, yogurt pots, food containers. All these can be used to grow seeds in. And then when the seeds are too big, you can then pot them up into things like old tins that have been washed and a hole carefully drilled in the bottom, or put them in old mugs, put some gravel or something at the bottom to provide drainage, and then plant them up. How cute would they be? I'm going to do that. That sounds so cute. And there you go, just a few money-saving ideas. Have you tried any of these? Will you try any? Do you have any of your own to share? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.